I never feel a love like this before. Yo, go on.
You had it in front of you, man. You had Canada's Woodstock moment. You had such a gathering of tens of thousands of people, all around freedom and love. And it was crushed by authoritarianism, and you cheered it on.
And this out and the west. Freedom is a must. Freedom is a must.
I said specifically and directly, we are not here to overthrow the government. That's what elections are for.
Everybody got to be free to make their own decisions, right? So that to me, that's what it is. It's not about the vaccine and whatever. That's not it. It's like just to be free. Like you make your own choices. You know what I'm saying?
Not only is it a real-life, true adventure story, but it's hyper-accurate. It was one long, chaotic day. Every day, it was like Groundhog Day for me.
You got Quebecois, Anglo, Indigenous, all ethnic groups, gay, straight, everybody just coming together. It's like we're all one Canadian people. And, yeah, it's like, Canadian people, it's like we're exercising our Canadianness for real. We're becoming a country for real.
We're born to be free, huh? Yeah. And say, in French, it says, stay united, my body, my choice. Yeah, we gotta respect each other, everybody's decision. That's all we are in Canada today. It's all about respect.
There's nothing but love here, man. Nothing but love, unity, happy people. Exact opposite of what the media is trying to show.
Oh, exactly. So I guess this is what everybody's here for, just to show that we're taking back our own power.
Okay. Oh, hold the line, ladies and gentlemen. We got this. Peace, love, unity, and freedom. Canada. Oh, Canada.
Much of what happened in Ottawa was very predictable. The behavior of the government was very predictable. If we had a functional media that was honest and didn't lie to its viewers and readers, then you would have heard us in our full context. They would have participated in the way that alternative media participated, and people would have seen the truth. But I also want it to be for people to give to their friends and families who might not have understood it, so they could read a beautiful story about positivity and love and people coming together